When it comes to growing on Instagram, understanding your analytics and how to find them is incredibly important. And we here at Flick are obsessed with making that as easy as possible for you to see, understand, and then make better decisions moving forward to grow faster. So in this video, what we're going to do is walk through Flick's analytics dashboard so that you as a Flick user can use them far better to grow faster, enjoy your Instagram experience, and fulfill your wildest dreams. So let's hop right into Flick and walk through the analytics dashboard. Let's do it. What's going on? It's Ben here from Flick, your destination for Instagram domination. And today we're talking all about analytics within Flick. And this is a huge focus of ours. We make it as easy as possible for you to get the numbers that you need to do the best things possible with them. So let's walk through exactly how to use the dashboard and all the different features and information that we provide to you on your accounts. And all this information is critical for you to know to make better data-backed decisions to grow far faster on Instagram. So let's break down all the different categories. So first, within analytics, you have your overview page. From here, you'll get a quick overview of how your account is performing. You'll see the data from your latest posts, including performance metrics like follower count, reach, impressions, and profile activity. Next, we have your content page. And on here, you'll find what content your audience is really enjoying from your feed posts, IG video, and story posts. Plus, you'll discover how to reach more of your audience with better use of hashtags. So a ton of good information here on the content page for sure. Next page is the hashtag page. And on the hashtag page, you will be able to understand which of your hashtags are performing best and get top level insights into how your hashtag strategy is going using metrics like time ranking, rank ratio, and a lot more. And all these different metrics really help to quantify how your hashtags are performing to see if you should maybe swap out some hashtags and alter your approach to get better performance. Next, we have the account page. From the account page, you'll get a better understanding of your audience in great detail and keep on top of other metrics you don't have on Instagram, like profile conversion rate and reach rate. And these are critical metrics to understand to grow faster and make better decisions. So those are the different pages. And on each of these pages, you'll be able to access and download historical data specific to your account. So this way you can track how your account has grown historically over time. So for example, if you want to know how your account differs from this time now versus this time last year, we can provide you that information so you can see. We got you covered. So those are the different pages that you can navigate to within Flick's Analytics Suite. But now let's break them down a little bit further as to what they actually mean and how you should use them. So the first category is going to be hero metrics. And hero metrics include follower change, people reached, profile visits, and website clicks. And follower change is probably what you would expect. It's your change in followers over the selected period of time. And again, you can change this based on what you're looking to see. The next hero metric is people reached. And this is the number of unique accounts that have seen any of your posts in the selected time frame. Next is profile visits, which is the total number of times your profile was visited in a selected time frame. And the final is website clicks, and this is the total number of times the link displayed on your profile, so the link in bio, has been clicked in a selected time frame. So these are definitely hard-hitting numbers that you want to make sure you're keeping an eye on, because these are what are going to move the bottom line for your business and for your page. So definitely keep an eye on them. The next metrics we're going to walk through are for your feed posts and IG video. And these include posts made, hashtags ranked, engagements, and average engagement rate. Posts made is the total number of posts you've made in a selected time frame. Hashtags ranked is the number of unique hashtags that your posts have ranked on. Top posts, which mean the top posts feed for that hashtag in the selected time frame. Engagements is the total number of likes, comments, saves, and shares that you have received on your posts in the selected time frame. And the average engagement rate is the percentage of people who engage with your feed posts compared to the number of people who saw them, averaged across the posts you've made in the selected time frame. So this is a great way to see at a glance how your content is performing for whatever time period you're currently tracking. And the next set of metrics is story metrics, and Flick actually does allow you to capture this super important data as well. So within story metrics, you're going to find stories made, impressions, as well as completion rate. And stories made is the total number of story posts that you have made in a selected time frame. Impressions is the total number of times your photos or videos were viewed on your stories in a selected time frame. And completion rate is the average percentage of users who viewed your story in its entirety, from the first frame right to the last story frame. And this is also really important to understand, because how people are viewing your stories dictates how many people are seeing them. So if you can keep people watching all of your stories, that is huge for you, because Instagram will push your content to more of your followers. So definitely keep an eye on completion rate and try to get that as high as possible. The next section of analytics we're going to walk through is your hashtags. And Flick actually started off primarily as a hashtag research tool. So we're pretty obsessed with giving you all the information that you need to use hashtags most effectively. And that comes through with the analytics that we provide you all about hashtags, which a lot of people aren't even aware of, that we actually do provide analytics specific to your hashtags and your overall performance with them. So make sure to check this information out. And here's what you'll find. When you connect your Instagram account to Flick, we learn over time which hashtags are working for you and combine this data up with our existing hashtag data across all of our users and across across all of Instagram to provide you with insights that you need to supercharge your hashtag strategy. So we're constantly collecting all of this different feedback to help you make the best decisions and even make some recommendations for you and your account. So when you use hashtags and you're connected with Flick, we track the following. We track the size of the hashtag, the position you ranked in, and how long you've been ranking for. The hashtag analytics will then provide you with a breakdown of which hashtags are providing the most value across multiple posts. The scores are dynamic, and the more you use a certain hashtag, the more accurate it gets. So basically, we're collecting data over time to help you make consistently better decisions with the tags you're using on your content. And this has obvious benefits so that you can consistently have the best Instagram hashtag strategy to get in front of the right users, gain the right followers, and grow your page and your business. And it helps even more when you pay attention to these numbers. So definitely make this part of your habits to go into the analytics dashboard and keep track of all these different numbers, especially hashtags performance. And for whatever reason, if you've come across this video and you're not a Flick user yet, don't worry, we've got you covered. Use the link down below to get yourself a free week trial of Flick and all of its different services so you can get in there and actually start tracking your analytics and seeing all the things that we've covered within this video. If you want more helpful videos like this to help you use Flick better or just grow on Instagram in general, don't forget to click that subscribe button on this channel because we here at Flick post weekly free content all about helping you use Instagram better and grow far faster. So don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell button too so that we can talk every single week. And after walking through all this different data, I want to hear from you. How often do you check in on your Instagram analytics? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if Instagram hashtags specifically really confuse you and you need some help there, be sure to check out this video we just linked right here where we walk through everything that you need to know to go from a hashtag noob or beginner to a hashtag expert to grow way faster. So go check that video out. It's linked right here. We'll keep talking over there and I'll see you there. Peace.